So to start, we'll need to get our supplies for our fruit fans. You will need plain or colored popsicle sticks, a sheet of paper, something to color with, scissors, and glue. So step one, you have to choose your fruit, and I am going to make a watermelon fruit fan. So because of that, I think that green popsicle sticks are gonna work best. So you will choose 4, and if they're not colored in, you can take your marker and just color them in, but mine are already green, so I'm good to go for step 1. What you will do is take your popsicle sticks and you will want to connect them so that they look like this. Right now mine aren't connected, so I have to go in with my glue and stick them together all right at the same bottom point, just like this. So I'm going to show you guys just how to do that. Once you're done placing your dots of glue between each stick, you will want to give it a good amount of time to make sure that it's dry. Once your popsicle sticks are dry, you can go ahead and just lay them right on to the edge of your sheet of paper. You don't have to glue or attach them, just actually place it so that the very tip of the popsicle stick is just touching the edge of the paper. And what we can do is actually use that to help guide us when we make the shape of our fan. So I'm going to go through with my marker or pen and just trace out a large curved shape. So watch along as I go to see what that will look like. So that you can see it better, what I did was I went in and started with a curve just along the edge of the popsicle sticks like that. 2 straight lines going up, and then another really big curved line on top. And that's going to be your fan shape that eventually you will stick your sticks right onto. Now for this part, you're going to take your sheet of paper and color in your fan to look exactly like the fruit that you chose. So I'm going to start with my pink color because I chose to do watermelon, and I'm going to color this in just like the picture shows. Lastly, once you're done coloring, you will have to go in with your scissors and actually just cut off everything around your shape. In order for us to get ridges and bumps along the side of our paper, we're gonna have to go and fold it a few times. So I'm gonna take my paper and just start by folding it from the edge like this, right over the top. And that's just the first fold. As you can see, I just took a little part of it and just folded a little part of it over. And then after you do that, you can actually flip it and then do the exact same thing. Fold a little bit of it over. So as you can see, we're starting to get a couple ridges like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep folding about this size all the way to the end. For the final step, take your popsicle sticks and your paper, and you will put a dot of glue on the very end of each stick, right there. And then after you do that, you can place it, make sure the glue is still facing up and not touching the table, and take your paper and you will just place it right on the edge, making sure that the paper is touching the glue so that it can dry together.